Hi, I'm Tom from Design911, and today I want to introduce you to something truly special. Here at Design911, we're proud to bring you some of the most innovative and high-performance parts for your Porsche. And today, we're excited to introduce you to one of the leading names in the game, Silver Rocket. Founded in 2018, Silver Rocket started as an official Porsche customer racing team, competing in both the Porsche GT and China Endurance Championships. But they didn't stop there. Their success on the track became the foundation for something bigger, a dedicated performance parts brand built by racers for racers. And now, Silver Rocket focuses exclusively on high performance parts for Porsche GT and RS models. With their own racing team, Silver Rocket Racing, serving as the ultimate testing ground, every product is put through its paces in real-world track conditions, ensuring unmatched reliability, precision, and that all-important competitive edge. So why choose Silver Rocket parts for your Porsche? Because they don't just build parts, they engineer them for peak performance. From F1-inspired carbon fiber coatings and their flex carbon aero parts, to racing-grade dry carbon fiber and lightweight TC4 titanium. And it's not just about performance, it's about safety too. Take their flagship product, the carbon fiber roll cage. It's designed to exceed FIA 253 safety requirements and is TUV approved. Built from over 30 layers of carbon fiber sheets, it's making it twice as strong as the original steel roll cage, all while being significantly lighter. Have a look at how it compares against a steel cage under a hydraulic press. Impressed yet? I definitely am, because as a matter of fact, we just got one delivered for our own GT4 RS. Let's have a look in the flesh. So, as you can see here, the guys at Silver Rocket packaged this really well to basically make sure obviously there's no damage whatsoever in transit. Let's have a little look inside. Wow. I've got to say, it looks incredible just from this. So obviously you've got the 30 layers of carbon fiber. So this is going to be twice as strong as the original steel cage. It's going to be stronger and obviously a lot lighter as well. So looking to take weight savings even further, their carbon fiber tailgate and plexiglass combo drops an impressive 7 kilograms, while the rear spoiler with swan neck risers shaves nearly 3 kilograms off the stock wing, all without compromising structural integrity. Each part is rigorously tested and refined to ensure unrivaled reliability and precision. All this work to create better downforce, perfect airflow to squeeze seconds off those lap times. So the rear quarter glass scoops increase air intake by 22%. The dive plane and lower spoiler pack creates additional vortex and can increase front axle downforce by 17%. And the best part, you don't have to be a pro racer to access this technology. Whether you're building your ultimate track weapon or simply want your Porsche to stand out from the crowd, Silver Rocket's range offers the perfect blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge engineering. And right now, at Design911, we're your official source for Silver Rocket parts. So if you're ready to elevate your Porsche's performance with some of the finest parts on the market, check out the full Silver Rocket range at design911.com. Once you're on our main page, scroll down to the bottom where you will find brands, Scroll further down and find Silver Rocket, where you will be able to see their entire range. I'm Tom from Design911. Drive safe, drive fast, and I'll see you on the track.